Okay, let's take a look at this problem. So suppose you have sets A and B, and A has 10 elements, and B has 15 elements, cardinality, size. Okay. It says, what is the largest possible value for a cardinality of the intersection of A and B? Well, if I thought about it from this standpoint, the intersection would be something like this, where this is our intersection. And if I'm trying to find the largest, if I get back there, largest possible value, the largest possible value would be where A was contained completely within B. Does that mean all the elements of A are contained in B? And that'd be my largest intersection. Or in other words, A is a, not that I can make the symbol real well, but A is a subset, wait a minute, proper subset of B. A proper subset, remember, is where every element of A is also an element of B, but A is not equal to B. And there's no way that they can be equal to each other because they have different number of elements. So this has 10 elements, this has 15 elements. So they're never going to be equal to each other. Okay. Well, if every element of A is in B, then the cardinality of the intersection of those in terms of finding the largest possible value is going to be equal to the cardinality of A, which is going to be 10. And that'll be our answer. Okay. Now B. B says, what's the smallest possible value? Okay, we're still dealing with the intersection. Smallest possible value will obviously be if they have nothing in common. So, in this case, the cardinality of the intersection of A and B is going to equal to 0. They have nothing in common. C. What are the possible values for the cardinality of A union B? Okay, so let's think about A union B. Union is, the intersection is where they both have the same elements. The union is just where you're counting how many are in both, excluding any duplicates. So we have a couple of possibilities that give us the extremes. If I have B here and I have A contained completely within B. Remember the cardinality of A is 10. And the cardinality of B was 15. So if A is completely contained in B, then the number, the cardinality B is going to be our smallest, which is 15. Now, the other possibility is where they have no elements in common. So you have A here, which has 10 elements. You have B here, which has 15 elements, and nothing in common. This would give us a total, if I did a union of them, 10 plus 15 would give us 25. Okay, so that's our range. Okay. Now, it says, what are the possible values for the A union B? Well, our possible values range between 15 and 25. Now, this is a specific case where A, or actually where the intersection of those, so the cardinality of the intersection of A and B is equal to the cardinality of A, which is equal to 10. So that's this possibility here. Now over this one, let me think about this. Okay, the intersection of A and B is that they don't intersect at all. The cardinality of it would be 0. Okay, so when the cardinality is equal to the cardinality of the intersection of A and B is equal to 0 is 25. When it's all of them, then it's 15. Otherwise, it's everything in between. Okay, so that would give us the range that goes in there. There is no set value. It says what are the possible values. It's just somewhere between those.